Hi and welcome to another One Day Webmaster video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about blogging, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own WordPress blog very easily and completely free of charge. Now, blogging has become incredibly popular in recent years, and you've probably seen quite a few blog sites around in the past. Now, in its simplest form, a blog is really just an online diary. It's basically a collection of entries known as posts, which are stored in chronological order and organised by category. But there are lots and lots of really good reasons to start a blog. First of all, you might just want an online diary or a way of producing news for your website. It might be a way of publishing articles and news stories, or even something like product reviews. And you can even build entire websites using a blogging platform such as WordPress. In fact, the One Day Webmaster website is built entirely in the WordPress blogging platform. Now, there are many advantages of using a blogging platform for your websites. First of all, very easy to maintain and update, and you can update it from anywhere. In fact, anywhere you can gain access to the internet and a computer, you can blog and update your website. You can also grant access to other users, so it's very easy to use a blogging platform as a way of several people collaborating on the content of a website. And your visitors will love the blog as well, because they can comment on your posts and it will put you in direct contact with your target market. They're also great for search engine optimization, and if you update your blog regularly with good content, you'll find that your search engine rankings increase. Now, there are many good blogging tools. The one that I suggest is called Wordpress. It's a free, open source and very powerful platform, very well supported and quite easy to use. Now, there's a little bit of preparation that we need to do before we can actually install WordPress, because we need a MySQL database. Now, depending on the type of hosting you've got, you may be able to create this yourself, or you may have to give your hosting company a call and ask them for the details. If you have access to a control panel for your hosting, such as Plesk, cPanel or Direct Admin, then log in and look for the MySQL Create Database icon. Fill out the form and you'll be given 4 pieces of information. Now, you need to write these down because you will need them when we come to install the blogging platform. The 4 bits of information you'll need are the database name, the username, a password which you'll create, and the host. If you don't have access to a control panel, then don't worry. Just give your hosting company a call, ask for those 4 pieces of information or that you need a MySQL database, and they should send you an email with all the information you require. Okay, we're now ready to actually install WordPress onto the server, and there's 2 places we can go to get the installation files. First of all, they're part of the One Day Webmaster Toolkit. Otherwise, we can download them from the WordPress website, which is www.wordpress.org. And if we go to that site, on the right hand side of the screen you'll see it says ready to get started, and there's an orange button to download WordPress, and then select whichever operating system. We'll go for the default, which is Windows, and we can download those files to our computer. Once we've actually got the files, we can open them up on the screen, and we'll see a list of files in the folder that looks something like this. And we want to edit the file that says wp-config sample, so open that up in NView or in Notepad, and this is where we put our information that we got earlier from our host. So we want to fill out the database name, the username, exactly as I'm doing on screen here, but filling out with your information, whatever password you set. The DB host 9 times out of 10 will be localhost, but if your host has told you something different, fill that in there. And this secret key can be anything you want. It's just got to be a unique key for encryption purposes. The rest of the file we can leave just as it is, so now go save as, and we give it the same name but without sample, so we just want to call it wp-config.php. And now we're ready to upload the entire contents of this directory onto the web server. Use your FTP client. If you're unsure how to do that, check the video tutorial in the One Day Webmaster Toolkit. And I'm going to install my blog into a new directory called blog, so I've created a new directory there. Select all the files and click to upload. Again, if you're unsure or unfamiliar with using FTP, there is a video tutorial in the members section. Once everything's on the website, we go to our own website, followed by a /wp-admin/install.php. And here we go. We just fill out the title for our new blog. I'll call it my blog. Fill out your email address, because this is used if any time you need to reset your password. and click Install WordPress. And there we go, we're installed. Now this password, you must remember this because it's been randomly generated for you, so I suggest that you highlight it and click copy, and then click on the login button. Admin is the username by default, and paste in the password, login, and we're good to go. This is our new blog, it's all ready to start using. So this is the dashboard, this is the main screen. When you come in, you can change various things. We'll give a tagline to the blog. We've already given it a title, we'll change the tagline as well. This is my new blog, and if we scroll down to the bottom and click save, and that's as simple as that's as easy as it is to actually make changes to our website. It's also a good idea at this point to update the password to something that you'll remember. So go to the admin section and fill in whatever you want that you're going to remember, being sure to fill in the same thing twice, and click update profile, and there we go. If you want to view the site, this is exactly what your blog looks like. Very, very simple, I know, but in the next tutorial we'll actually edit this and get it looking a little bit more interesting. So those are the links on the right hand side and the post on the left. If you want to edit anything, then we just go back to /wp-admin, stands for WordPress admin at the end of the URL. And let's create a new post. We click on the write a new post button, and we're given a form here. First of all, we fill out the title, and then we can type whatever we want into the actual post screen. So here's some more information, and it's very simple to use. We can use it just like a word processor. So if I highlight some text and click on the B button, then it goes bold. Or perhaps I might want to insert a numbered list. Of course there's ways of introducing HTML and inserting images and everything like that, and again we'll see that in a later video. So now all we need to do is select published under published status and click on the save button, and then if we go back to visit the site, this is the actual site, there we go, that first blog post is at the top, and that's how you blog. That's as simple as setting up WordPress is.